Okay, today we are going to talk about the Smith & Wesson EZ380.
So I am definitely not a 380 kind of person. I definitely prefer a 9mm over 380. But when I first saw that we got these in, the name really intrigued me to look at it and see what kind of features it had.
And this is all you need to know in 90 seconds. All right, in 2018, Smith came out with the EZ380 in the Shield line. Now, this is not for the shooter that's going to put a ton of rounds down range each year, 500, 1,000 plus. This is really designed, I know they came out with it for someone who has, maybe arthritis or someone who just cannot manipulate the slide on most firearms, like the Bodyguard, for instance. I thought it was hard for a lot of people to do. What are some of the features you noticed?
Well, the slide, like you said, is super easy to rack, and it's got the easy to load magazines. I've always wondered why manufacturers didn't put these on anything but a 22. It just makes it that much easier to put your rounds in the mag.
It's a lot like, like a 2245 or something along those lines, or their M&P 22.
One very obvious feature that is quite different from the standard Shield is the grip safety. And this is actually a single action hammer fire firearm rather than being striker fire. So that grip safety does act as your drop safety for the firearm. It does also have ambi-capable mag release and ambidextrous thumb safety.
Now the EZ380 does have 3-dot regular Smith & Wesson sights. What originally came on the Shield looks the exact same. It does have a pick rail on the front. I don't know what you're going to put on, but a lot of people would probably like to have a laser or a light. Now the grip on the EZ380 is pretty textured, but not as bad as the 2.0. It's not something that's going to rub on your body or anything like that, but aggressive enough to stay in your hand, doesn't give you a bunch of muzzle rise or anything like that.
One additional feature to the 380 EZ is the loaded chamber indicator. It raises a little bit so you can actually see and feel that there is a round in the chamber. It does also have tapered slide serrations. It does come with two 8-round magazines, and it is extremely light, coming in at 18.5 ounces.
Coming in around 6.7 inches overall, this is not going to be in that same category as the Bodyguard, okay, which is going to be much smaller. This, again, is going to be in the Shield category, but with a bunch of features that is going to make it really easy for anyone to use.
MSRP on this firearm is at $399, but you should be able to find it in your local gun shop right around $350.
Again, guys, thank you so much for watching all you need to know in 90 seconds about the Shield EZ380.
Be sure to leave your comments below with video suggestions for the future.
That was easy.
See ya.
Ow!